Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Cindy. Today's video is a pack with me for college move-in. I'm really excited. I've never done this video before because it's freshman year. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is go through my drawers and see what I want and what I want to leave at home. So I'm doing my shirts first. So I actually did this last night. So I'm just gonna bring these because I don't want to take too many. So here's a pile of my shirts. I have more like fancier ones. These are just like the t-shirts I can just wear like whenever. Another thing I'm actually bringing with for college is this mirror. So I didn't feel like moving that in the other room. The other room is like college galore. Yes. So I'm gonna bring. This is hard trying to grab this all with the. Welcome to the college room where I have all my stuff. So here are a few boxes I'm going to use. I will get more later. I'm bringing my suitcase to pack my clothes. And here's the college explosion galore. And the pictures with all my friends. I'm not showing that just because I want to consider my friends who might not want to be on camera. We probably will see it in room tour later. So I have my shirts that I showed you guys earlier. So right now I'm just moving. And then I'm gonna put my suitcases on the top of the bed. Okay, I'm quick do a little school supply haul thing real quick. So, first off, I have my binders. I have 4. Right now I might need different one, like more later, but I'm gonna go 4 right now. And then obviously, I have paper for it, so that'll be nice. And then I have colored pencils, I don't know why, but you never know. And then this is like all my stuff. So I have a stapler. Then I have my own Sharpies. So the ones my mom let me borrow. Then I have the Sharpie pens. I love these so much. They're so nice because it doesn't smear. You have a good grip on it. Then I got a planner from my grandma, which is cool. And then I got a notebook. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for. Might be another YouTube notebook, might be something for school. Then I have index cards. Then I have sticky notes. Then I have some paper clips. Then I have tape. Then I have a pencil sharpener. I have highlighters. And I have a ruler. I'm also bringing this basket to use. Not for that stuff, but for stuff. So I gotta try to figure out how I put that in. Oh, ow. I'm just gonna oh, something got stuck in my hand. So yeah, that's like my little back to school haul. I don't have enough stuff to do like a full like separate video, so I decided to combine it with my dorm room stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna roll the lid up. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, we figured that out. Now it's time to pack some of these shirts. I'll probably put it in the small suitcase because I don't know how many like shirts I'm gonna make. Okay, I have more nicer ones, but I want to put like the wear whenever shirts, like more like not for school, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna put that in a different suitcase. I'll probably put that in the smaller one. So yeah. Okay, while we're at it, might as well do a dorm haul as well. So the first thing I have, so I got a Scotia's book. So the first thing I have are mugs. So I have this one, it says "We Believe in You," and then this one says "Courage." I promise you they won't have pens. It's just the only place I can put them at the moment. Then you've seen these ones before. I'm excited to use these. And then my new favorite one is this one. Again, they're all my favorite because my friends have given me these, so they have all of special memories, so it's really nice. So I love them all. You have a mini fridge, but it's too heavy and I didn't feel like bringing it all the way upstairs. Correction, I'm not actually the one bringing it. My dad's coming to bring it because I cannot pick this thing up, it's too heavy. So yeah, that's why it's downstairs, but that's another thing I'm bringing to college. Another thing as well, I have a big trash can because apparently in college they do not provide them. I think it depends on which university and college you go to, but mine apparently does not. So yeah, so I'm bringing that trash can. I'm also bringing the small one. And then I'm bringing an exercise ball for seating because those chairs in the dorm rooms are not comfy. So I'm bringing that instead. I'll still have the other chair, but I'll just use this more. And another thing I have is this cute sign called Dorm Sweet Dorm. My grandma actually found this at a thrift shop, and then I painted it rose gold. So yeah, okay. So another thing that I have is, sorry, I'm trying to get around, is this hot pad to make tea or hot chocolate. Sorry, I almost fell right there. Yeah, so that's one thing. Another thing, okay, I just gotta move this, is this laundry basket. And it also has my comforter and my bedding. I'm just not gonna take that out because that'd be a hassle. And then my pictures with my friends. I just want to be respectful if they don't want me on camera. And then this thing, oh, I have this. I can't remember what it's called, but I've seen a lot of people on TikTok and YouTube have that. Then I have a mattress pad. Then my cousin saved the day and gave me a thing. Because it's not AC. Even though it looks like the type of dorm that would have it, no AC. It's great. Thank you, college. Okay, so we also have towels, and I have this shoe storage thing that I used to use obviously for shoes, but I won't need as many shoes, probably just my Crocs and my Nikes. So I'll probably just use this for coffee mugs. Oh my goodness. I want to kind of see if it's actually gonna fit. I mean, it's gonna fit, but I'm more like, we're gonna do this. Cause like I want these, I want these more easy access. You know what I mean? I always keep these in just so they won't clink together when I'm moving them. But I think that'll look good. So yeah, I'll probably fuss around with this later, but now I know it's gonna work. So yeah, that's time to put all these back. Just so when I move in, I'm actually going to be the one carrying this box, or my parents. I just don't want when the move-in people to drop this because these have all my favorite mugs. I'd actually be very upset they didn't make them. So yeah, these are where all my mugs are. And then this is where I'm gonna put them, but I'll have it like against a wall so it won't be so like the sides open. It'll be against the wall so they won't fall out. We're gonna start packing, so I'm gonna put the shirts I showed you earlier to the small suitcase. Oh. And every time I pack, I do the bookshelf way. Save room. I know we'll have plenty. I live close enough that I don't need to do my full wardrobe at once, so I can come back to each season. Then we'll go back to my room and grab some more stuff. Okay, now I'm actually gonna grab some stuff from the closet. It's gonna be a lot, so I'll set my camera down. Okay, I have some dresses. Like I said, I can come back each season back home, so look. Okay, I'm taking a break from packing because I haven't had it all morning, which is good because I feel like I've gotten a lot done, so I feel very good about that. Because I want to make sure the last week I'm here, I can spend time with friends and family instead of feeling like I have to go pack. So yeah. And I was really craving burgers and fries. I mean, when am I not? I don't eat that all the time. I just like want to make sure that you guys know that. I just usually have like a sandwich or like other stuff. But today I was like, let's just go out to eat. So me and my mom are going out to eat. We're going to Hopcat. I've not tried it here before. I think we tried it when we were traveling somewhere, because I know we've like sat in a restaurant that's Hopcats, but I don't know where it was, so it's been way long ago. So it's gonna be nice to try it in our hometown to see how it is. Okay, I'm back from getting lunch. It was really good. I haven't been to the Hopcat in our hometown yet, so that was really good. I will say the fries are really spicy, but it was really good though. So overall it's a 10-10. Took me a while, but now it is time to close all the boxes and close the suitcases. And I'm trying to find my tripod. I packed it somewhere. Where is it? Okay, I'll catch you guys probably when I have it. Found it. So let me put it back up. Time to label my stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and like, comment. I'll see you guys next time when I'm all moved in. Bye.